here at Frightworld in Buffalo, New York. This attraction offers 5 different attractions. We're in the middle of a Screampark, so excuse some guys here. That's a very big guy. But we have Erie State Asylum, Nightstalkers Reloaded, Grindhouse, Carnival Boneyard, and they have their newest attraction, Mainframe Massacre.
Hey, I love the robot.
Let's go in there and get some scares. Okay. Very foggy in here. Oh, okay. I don't like the noise. I don't like your noise. Okay. Holy shit. This is creepy. Oh, jeez. Oh, God, man. Holy hell. Oh, okay. Oh, man. Oh, God. Okay. I do not like you. I do not like you either. I don't like either of you. Okay. Holy hell. Oh, my God. Oh, God. I thought that was not real. Oh, my God. Okay. I'm already sweating in here. Oh, God. Whew. Oh, my, holy shit, dude. Okay. Oh, my God. Oh, man. Oh. Both sides of me, oh my God, I don't like it. I don't like the noise he makes at all. Okay. Oh. Okay. Oh. Okay, I don't like it. These people are crazy in here. They're super crazy. Oh, okay. I don't like the mask. Oh, man. Okay. Oh, these sliding doors are so intense. Oh, holy hell. Hey, at least this is only like wasted. Holy Oh, I've never seen anything like that before. Okay. Holy shit. Oh, man, look at these animals. Okay, I do not like the bunny. Okay, holy shit. Okay. Oh, okay. Oh, man. All right. Okay, holy shit. Oh, man. Ice cream. Oh, that got me really good. Alright. Oh, nope. I don't like it. It's hissing at me. Oh, God. I don't want to. I do not want to play. Okay. Holy shit. I don't want to play. Jump! Okay, I'll jump. Yeah. I think she had a hamburger on her head. I don't want to play again. What kind of game? Oh, okay. What are we playing? Oh, I can't play this. It smells weird. Oh, I don't like your game. All right, this is really creepy. Oh. Okay. Oh, I don't like snakes. Oh, man. I do not like the snakes. I do not like that. That's very creepy. I'm like sweating bullets in here. Okay. Sound is really good in here. That is really good. All right, this is trippy as hell. Very trippy. Whoa. This is so weird. Very weird. Oh my God. What the hell is going on in here? Oh man, I can't see a thing. I hear a chainsaw. Okay! Alright, alright.
You want the goddamn
Yep, nope. I ain't getting in the car with that guy. Okay. Oh, I can't see. Okay. Oh, there's an alien. I hope I don't puke in here. Okay. Alright, I don't like your noise. Entering grindhouse. Alright, this is, okay. That dude is very creepy out there. Okay. Alright, he exited. I don't, okay, holy shit, dude. I don't even know what that was. Alright. Hello. Oh. He's spraying. I don't know what it was, but oh my God, I thought you were fake. Okay, yeah, I know, I don't smell good. The detailing in here is fantastic. Oh man, something's happening right here. I knew it. I don't like him. Look at the big fish. That's a big ass fish. Oh my God. I thought he was fake. Oh my God. Okay. All right. God. Oh my God, there's shit on the ground. I don't know what it is. I can't. I don't want to let you out. I can't let you out. Oh. Okay. I knew it was gonna happen. Oh man. Oh. That's pretty cool. Oh my God. Oh God. All right, I can't see. Oh. All right. I don't know what he's at. Okay. All right. Oh my God. All right, dude, I do not like the raccoons. Oh my goodness. The raccoons constantly get me. All right, nope. No. Oh man. Okay. All right. Oh man. Okay. Oh my God. Okay. I don't want to come. I do not want to come with you. I'll stay back. Okay. Oh, Jesus. Who drove through the garage here? Oh, man. Okay. All right. I'm out. Holy shit. Entering Erie State Asylum. My bad. All right. I do not like asylum themes at all. They creep me out because I absolutely hate hospitals. And we see a lady standing on her gurney, and I don't like it.
That was my favorite bit! That was my bit! I really wanted to eat it!
All right.
I just wanted sushi! I wasn't the dog!
I can't read. All right, this is creepy. I don't like this.
I don't like it either.
Oh God. Yeah, I don't like it. I seriously don't like it. lighting in here is great. Oh, hello. Oh. Okay, I can't help you. I can't help you. This is awesome. Okay, all right. I don't even know what that is, and it scared the shit out of me. Whew. All right, this is awesome. Oh, okay. Okay.
It was all you.
It was not me. I didn't do shit. I didn't do shit. Okay.
You can bask in the film. You must not listen. Do not look at the baby boy.
No. Oh my God.
She was my beautiful baby boy.
Oh, I don't want your intestines. I don't want it. I don't want it. I don't want it.
You guys will never get
All right.
alive.
All right. That's creepy as hell. I don't like it. I don't like it.
I got your hand just for you.
All right. I can't.
The lost space is here for a
Oh man. Yeah, no, I know.
Like it?
I don't smell good. I know.
Don't you like my home though?
No, I don't.
How could you say such a thing?
I don't like it. Okay. Oh. I don't like air blasters. All right, that's creepy. That is very creepy. That is very creepy.
Can you help me?
No, I can't help you.
I can't find my friend anywhere.
Oh, this lighting is awesome. Oh. All right.
I heard you in my laundry.
Entering AI mainframe. It's all AI generated. Oh, this is awesome. I've never been in a hunt that has AI, so I guess we're gonna see what this is like. All right, there's one. That got me already. Oh, this is so weird. That is awesome.
Help us! Help me!
I can't.
Go!
I guess we're not there. I don't know where he's at. I can't help you. I'm sorry. All right. Oh. This is so weird.
We have to help me find Jared. I can't
find
him.
Where's
he
he
wrote
at?
the override code.
Oh man. All right.
Jared.
All right. I'll find him for you.
Join us.
I thought you were fake. Oh man, this is so weird.
Jared.
I don't like it. That is awesome. I like the crane operating heads. That's awesome. All right, that's awesome. Very awesome costume. That is awesome. That is very cool looking. All right, I can't tell what's fake and what's real. Oh no! I don't want anybody coming for me. All right, that thing's following me out through this, and I don't like him.
Look what have they done to me! Look what have they done to me!
I can't. Oh. All right. I don't like you. All right. Man, I don't like you still. Oh my God, this is so creepy. Oh, okay. All right. All right, damn. Oh man, these are so weird. I just saw you moving there and I still freaking jumped. Okay, which one is real? Oh. Damn, dude. I don't like these things at all. Man, that was awesome. Well, I just exited all 5 attractions. Frightworld offers very intense attractions and very beautiful sets. I don't know who I'm with, but that's a zombie. Oh, Frightworld, yeah. That's where we're at. If you want to see another video like this, click the link below. Until next time, stay spooky.